That's part of the problem with TSA PreCheck or global entry. The wait times to get your interview, to get that little check on your boarding pass, months, several months.
Yeah. But then once you get it.
Once you get it, you're great, but it's going to take a while.
Yeah. All right, hey, I saw a lot of raindrops.
Oh, man. We had some pockets of very moderate to heavy rain that was moving through the Treasure Valley, and then it moved on out about as quickly as it moved in. But it was just one of those days where you say, yeah, there's something in the atmosphere that's driving this weather pattern. And here it is. Again, this is a water vapor image. Here's the Pacific Northwest, Washington, Oregon. There's Idaho. Here's Northern California. And look at how deep this low pressure system goes. It drives all the way down into Southern California. And as long as that low continues to hang around, and I do not see it going anywhere, at least through the weekend, that means that we're going to continue to see these occasional pockets of rain moving on through. Now, we've got a lot of clouds around the Treasure Valley right now, but not much is happening at the current time as far as shower activity is concerned. But there's certainly showers out here. Pretty impressive rain from the Magic Valley into the southeastern part of the state. Fairly impressive rain with some thunderstorm activity that's taking place in eastern Oregon, but most of that activity is steering clear right now of the Treasure Valley. But I think we certainly have the potential of seeing additional pockets of rain moving in, some of which could actually generate some pockets of moderate to heavy rain, maybe even some isolated thunderstorms on again, off again through the weekend. But temperature readings, the high temperature today, 53 degrees. That is 20 degrees cooler than the average of 73 degrees. That's the other thing about this low, is that it pulls in and it keeps a lot of cool air in place. So on the satellite imagery, you can see the counterclockwise rotation of that low pressure system that's spinning around. And as long as the system continues to hang around, this is exactly what we're going to be getting. And this is actually a typical springtime weather pattern. We get these persistent lows that just kind of stay grooved right into the western United States. And with this, we're going to continue to see occasional showers, cooler than normal conditions. And then there are indications that this low begins to move out of the area by Monday and Tuesday. It's going to be very slow to move, but as it does, it'll usher in drier conditions. So on the Futurecast tomorrow morning, notice little hit and miss pockets of rain, but this computer model thinking, yeah, maybe it could be dry in the Treasure Valley in the morning, but give it a little bit of time, because look at what happens in the afternoon. The models still pick up on that unsettled weather pattern, just kind of rotating around much of Idaho, and even into Sunday. Again, what we're seeing is pockets of rain that continue to move in. So just because it stopped raining doesn't mean it's going to stay dry. Give it a little time with this pattern. I think the occasional showers will roll on through once again. So mostly cloudy skies for the Treasure Valley tomorrow, with temperature readings struggling to hit 60 degrees. If we do get a little sunshine, boom, the temperatures will go up. But if it stays cloudy and cool with the occasional soggy conditions, then the showers will likely keep the temperatures cooler than what you're seeing there. So on the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley, let's keep the scattered showers in the forecast tomorrow and on Sunday. Fewer showers expected on Monday, and we should start drying out Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. It should be much drier. The mountains will see occasional rain tomorrow, some scattered showers on Sunday, and a few showers on Monday and Tuesday, but it will dry out midweek. So have an umbrella handy and just be ready. Kind of a good weekend to maybe, check out some movies or do some work in the garage. I know that's what I'm going to have to end up doing.
And the irrigation's back off again. I turned it off at the house. New back, yeah. All right, thank you.
Save water where we can. The Food and Drug Administration has introduced